Fletcher Insulation provide insulation material for both homes and for commercial businesses. We looked around at who could provide a solution for us to automate our facility, and Bosch was certainly the front runner. They provided us with certainty that they could deliver a project for us.
There were challenged with problems. On one side, people put those bags on a snout, a device where these bats will come through. So it's very labor intensive.
The task was for us to remove those people into other parts of the process and come up with a machine that would automatically bag the insulation product.
We went through a whole lot of design reviews with Bosch, back and forth. We actually had to engage our employees for this to work, and we had to make sure that they were comfortable going from a very manual task that they've been doing for over 40 years to actually then go and run an automated machine.
Our machines basically do the same thing as what the operator did, but in an automated fashion with a much larger roll of materials.
As a result of the automation, we're seeing our operators start to shine. So the operators are now off the baggers and the manual handling aspects. They're more engaged in the whole process rather than just sitting in one spot putting a bag over a duckspill.
You see the operators, the way they start doing troubleshooting is the best feeling you can ever get.
We look for the best solution to suit their manufacturing environment. When we come up with that solution, we have good processes and people in place to make sure we realise that in the right way. And it keeps manufacturing in Australia. That's what I love about the job.
We've been able to pull together a lot of experience, not only from the projects that we work on locally in Australia, but the projects that are being done around the world.
The fact is that Bosch wanted to deliver an excellent outcome, and that's what we've got.
At the end, success for us means that our customers are happy, they have a solution that works for them, and they can keep on manufacturing what they want to do. They're happy, we're happy, and it's successful.